Hello. So the final clip is going to consider the fully automated version. So I'm going to go back to what we had for the current setup, which was an arrival rate of 38, and with one server. Now this is a human server, not a barista. Excuse me. This is a machine server, not a human barista. And then on the coffee, because it's a machine, so all I'm doing now is I'm pulling the human out, I'm plugging the automated machine in, and the variation there is going to be 0 instead of 20, which it was originally. And you can run this to see, that's basically a 0 service variance option. And we can run this one for up to 76,000 seconds because the arrival rate is 38 per hour. And I'm just going to blow through that. So waiting times are roughly what they were, maybe a little better if once you've averaged this out over several runs. It doesn't seem like this is an option to materially improve performance, just a substitution of human for a machine. Now I could also look at pooling these things. So if I look at three machines pooled, let's just change this then to 114 per hour. And I need to put 3 in the pool. And I can assess this one. And this one can be run for, I think, 26,000 seconds, because again, I'm at an arrival rate of 114 per hour. So make sure it's in red, and then we just say go. So the estimate of the utilization here is 96.4. Higher. Mean number of folks in the line 14, and 8.85. So it's roughly half of what it was if we don't do the pooling. So the pooling looks to be very important. And then you must make a judgment as to whether you want to keep humans in there, substitute with machines. It's about more than just performance in a historical coffee bar, perhaps. And then if you don't go with machines, whether you want to train your baristas. I think there's also, a case to be made that you could have some machines, some fully automated machines, and some human baristas, but we don't have the model to run that analysis. It's possible to extend it, but what you're looking to have then is a service time distribution that depends on the server that is selected for you. So the human baristas would have variance, either 10 or 20 seconds, depending on whether they're trained or not, and then of course the machines would have 0 variance. But for a first model, I think we're good. It's already fairly complex with a number of scenarios, but you could certainly push and complete that modeling, but probably not for the case. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this case. Antico Cafe Greco. Looking forward to seeing what you come up with.